In this video, you'll learn how to create an AutoCAD Civil 3D tinned surface from a point file, define a boundary for the surface, and then force the surface triangulation along linear strings. First, create a surface definition by navigating to the Home tab. Select Surfaces and then click Create Surface. Use the Create Surface dialog box to name the surface. You can specify the description and style as needed. Click OK. On the Prospector tab in Toolspace, expand the Surfaces collection. You will see that the surface definition has been created, but it does not yet contain data. To add point data, right-click Point Files and select Add. In the Add Point File dialog box, select the desired point file and click Open. Next, specify the point file format and click OK. The surface is now visible in the drawing, and you can see that the point file is included in the surface definition. The boundary shows that the surface triangulates beyond the extents of the desired area. The next steps will show you how to add a boundary to remove the triangulation across areas that do not contain point data. First, specify a surface style that shows the surface triangulation. Right-click the surface and select Surface Properties. In the Surface Properties dialog box, navigate to the Surface Style list and select Contours and Triangles. Click OK. Zoom in to view the surface triangulation. Then define an outer boundary from an existing polyline in the drawing. Next, select the surface. Navigate to Add Data and select Boundaries. In the Add Boundaries dialog box, name the boundary and click OK. Select the blue polyline. The surface is now restricted to the extent of the specified boundary. Finally, you will force the surface triangulation along known linear features. In this example, you will force the surface triangulation along polylines that represent edges of pavement. First, zoom into the area where two polylines are drawn. Then select the surface. Navigate to Add Data again and select Break Lines. In the Break Lines dialog box, click OK. Select both polylines. Then press Enter to add the break lines. The surface triangulation has been adjusted along the break lines, and the surface definition has been updated.